Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is GBPCAD. So let's check the date and the time right now. Refresh. Currently it is 9:25 a.m. Thursday, 9th of July 2026 in EST. So let's get back to the chart. This is 4-hour time frame, GBPCAD. So we are creating kind of double top. So this candle did not close above this candle. So we are going down. This red candle is my trigger, so we should be entering at the current price around 8983. So enter short at the current price, and this black line is my take profit. So I'm expecting maybe how many pips? 150 pips maybe. And the TP is dynamic, so I can exit early as well depending on how things go. So for now, I am going short from here until this black line, and whenever I exit, whenever the take profit will be hit, I'll come back and record the video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we are back with our take profit video. So let's check that date and the time right here. So I'm gonna refresh it. Currently it is 11:07 a.m. Tuesday 14th of July 2026 in EST. And I think we took this trade maybe last week. I don't remember. Okay, so you can check when did we take the trade in the first part of the video. But this was the red candle when my take profit was hit. So I am out of the trade already. And I don't know where did we enter. Maybe here somewhere we entered after this candle, I guess. Yes. So this was the candle we entered. Then we went down and we made some money, which you can see. So we made 140 pips in this trade. So entry was at 89835 and exit was around 8841. So 140 pips in this trade. Okay. All right. So that's it. I keep doing these videos. You may keep watching these videos, but you will get to nowhere if you don't join the program. So the links will be below the video somewhere. It says Swing Like a Pro. If you want to help yourself, go and join the program. Then only somebody can help. Till then, see you again.